How to hide Instagram post from someone. Hello everybody, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. And to know how you can do it, just watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your Instagram app. After opening the Instagram app on your device, on the down right section, you will see there is a profile. Just tap on it. On the top right side, you will see there are 3 vertical lines. Again, tap on it. And now, when you scroll down and down, you can see there is the option of blocked. Why did I show you the option of block is because the blocked people cannot see your profile. And if they cannot see your profile, then they cannot see the post you posted. So that is how you can make them not see your post. That is the one way. The next way to make the people not see your post is change your account into private account. How can you change it to a private account then? Go on the top right side again and click on the 3 vertical lines. Just scroll down and you can see there is the account privacy. Right now, our account is public account, but you want to change it into private account, then just enable it. Since my account is business account, then first of all, I should turn off my business account and then turn my private account. That way, only the people that follow you and you follow will be able to see your post. But you neither want to make your account private and nor want to block them. Then how can you not make the person see your post? So to do that, just go on the message app. So I want to make this person not see my Instagram post. Then what can I do? So simply I'll go on the profile of the certain person, go on the 3 vertical lines right here, and then click on the restrict. So you can see limit wanted interactions with someone. You will control if they can see the post or not. Okay. So now they will not be able to see my post on their feed. But if they search for my name and then see my profile, then they will be seeing my post, but they will not see my post on feed, just like whenever I open my Instagram and I see this post right here. So yes, these are the options that you can apply. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do hit a like button and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any queries or suggestion, to comment it on the comment section. That's it for today. See you on the next video.